Rashard Thompson, Grant. Face?
What's up, man?
Just trying to see how you live.
Good, man. What the fuck you want?
What's up with that nigga Colt? Man, we putting all this work, this nigga ain't even doing shit.
So what you trying to say?
Man, I'm saying, you already met the connect, right?
Alright, that was good, but like this time try to do a little more sneaky. Cause like you yelling at me, like I'm your boss. Like you can't be yelling at me.
Okay.
Alright, take it from the top, let's go.
You got the same enthusiasm.
Okay. Hey, what's up? Yo, what's up, Ace?
What's up, man? What you want,
Just
man?
trying to see how you live.
I'm good. What the fuck you want?
What's up with that nigga Colt? Man, we putting in all this work. This nigga ain't even doing it. This nigga ain't even here.
So what you trying to say?
I mean, I'm saying you already met the connect. You already met the connect, right?
Cut.